Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on how to copy and paste content from a Word document into a WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to start by accessing your WordPress site, logging in with your Google account, and then transferring your prepared content smoothly. Begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once you see the homepage loaded, focus your attention on the top right corner where you will find the login option. This first step is essential as it sets the stage for you to access your website's backend and make the necessary edits. After clicking on the login option, the next phase of the process involves signing in using your Google credentials. When you select the login option, you will be greeted with the choice to sign in via Google. Click on the option that reads Continue with Google so that you can seamlessly connect your WordPress account with your Google account. At this point, you will see a list of Google accounts that are associated with your device or browser. Make sure to choose the account that you wish to use for your WordPress site. Choosing the right account helps ensure that all your access rights and privileges are maintained. Once you have successfully signed in using your Google account, your next move is to locate the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. Within this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. By clicking on Edit Site, you initiate the site editing interface where you can make various modifications to your website design and content. As you enter this interface, take a moment to understand the layout and options available to you. This understanding will help you navigate through the editing tools confidently. After entering the editing mode, look for your website among the available options and click on it to start editing. This action brings you directly into the site customization area where all your changes will be visible in real time. Now that your site is ready for adjustments, move on to your Word document. Open Microsoft Word on your computer and locate the content that you have prepared. With the content visible on your screen, use your mouse or keyboard shortcuts to select the entire portion of text that you wish to transfer to your website. Remember, it is crucial that you have your final content ready before you proceed to paste it into WordPress. Once you have copied your desired content from Microsoft Word, return to the WordPress site editor. Within this editor, access the Styles section where you will find a subcategory labeled Display. Clicking on Display will allow you to manage how your text appears on the web page and ensure that the formatting is in line with your website's design preferences. After reviewing the display options, simply paste the content you copied from Microsoft Word directly into the appropriate content area on WordPress. The paste action should render your text correctly formatted within the site editor. By following these clear and sequential steps, you will have successfully transferred your content from Microsoft Word into your WordPress website. This process not only simplifies content management across different platforms, but also ensures a consistent look and feel for your published articles or pages. Enjoy editing and publishing your content confidently on your WordPress site.